Hello my people, make una welcome back to my channel. If this na the first time we dey jam my channel, welcome. Na egusi soup wey dem no fry na carry us come here today o. No be every time they dey fry everything. So I wan show una how to cook egusi soup wey dem no fry and the thing sweet die. This no be the first egusi soup wey be say I don cook. I don cook the one wey be say get seed wey dem dey call lumpy egusi soup, then the normal egusi soup wey dem fry, and egusi pepper soup. So if you like any of those recipes, I go leave the link inside the box below, make you go check them out later after you don watch this one finish. So before I start to cook the soup, make I show now all the things wey be say I wan use. So I go use 2 cups of egusi, then I go use ugu leaf. Now the frozen one we get, we no dey get fresh one, but if you use any leaf wey be say you like. Then this na 1 cup of periwinkle, half cup of crayfish, then 1 cup of dried shrimp. And this na the crayfish head and the shrimp head. I go grind them. This na dried uziza leaves, we no dey get fresh one. Then I go also use salt and seasoning cube, onions, pepper and palm oil. When you wan cook your own, you fit use the same thing wey be say I use, or you fit add more ingredients, or you fit comot the one be say you no like. So the meat wey be say I dey use today na cow leg and goat meat. You fit use fish or anything wey be say you like. I don already cook the meat before I remember say I no get this recipe for my channel. Now I say make I just record akpakpakpa. I believe say everybody sabi cook meat, but if you no sabi, go watch any of my soup video, you go see how they dey cook meat. As the meat don done, the next way be say I go do na to grind the egusi, crayfish, pepper and onions together. Remember say we no dey fry am, so no need to slice the onions. I just dey cut am small so that the blender go fit blend the thing well. So when I don cut the onions finish, I'll just put everything for the blender together, blend everything until it's smooth. You fit grind your dry egusi separately if you want, but it not really make any difference, because at the end of the day you go either soak am with water or you go pour the dried egusi inside the soup. So if you look am, it not really make any difference. So as I dey blend the egusi, make I use this time to welcome the people who say they jam my channel for the first time, and also to reach out to all those people who say they don't watch my video since and they never decide to subscribe. Now God I take beg una, make una subscribe. The subscription are free, they no dey pay money. You see that subscribe button, click the subscribe button. After you click am, you get one bell wey dey for the corner there. Click the bell. That bell, when you click am, anytime when I post new video, they go just send you message say new video don show, make you come watch. Abeg na God I take beg una, make una help una sister. Not be only to subscribe o, make una still like the video, make una share am, and as una dey watch the video, make una leave one small comment for me. If you like wetin I do, write very nice comment for me. Invite your neighbors, use the word of mouth, tell people say come watch o. In case they say they no sabi cook something, you tell them say check this sister channel, maybe the recipe go dey there. So I dey thank una in advance for liking the video, subscribing, sharing the video, and na God go continue to dey bless una. Make I also use this time to throw away salute to all those people wey be say they don subscribe. Una be the best. Una be correct people. I love una from the bottom of my heart. Now God go continue to dey bless una o. So I don grind the egusi finish. I just dey check am to make sure say the thing is smooth. The thing is smooth, so I go use them. So now we wan begin to dey cook the soup. So the cow leg wey be say I wan use, I go add am to the pot of the goat meat and use the goat meat water cook the soup. I no dey use the cow leg water cook soup. If you wan know why, come ask me for the comment section. After I don add everything together, I come add small water because the meat water too small. Not to put plenty water because you no wan make the thing do water. Then I go come add about 1 cup of palm oil, but you fit add oil the way you like am. Then I'll come cover and make it cook for about 10 minutes so that the oil go done. After I don cook am for about 10 minutes, I'll come pour the egusi mixture wey be say I blend. I think una see as the thing thick, I go come rinse the cup, pour am inside so that the egusi for not lost. Then I'll come add the dried shrimp and the crayfish. Then I'll come crush in the seasoning cube. Mix everything together. Because the soup don almost full to the top, e no go dey very easy to turn am. so I go just dey turn am jete by jete. If you dey used to cooking cow leg, you go understand wetin happen to that bone. Anytime we be say the meat wey dey around am don done, na so the meat dey fall comot from the body. So that na another way to take tell you say the meat don already done sef. So I go let the soup cook for about 5 to 7 minutes before I turn am. Just the way they cook the fried egusi soup wey be say you dey always dey turn am, you go dey turn am, because if you just leave am like that, the thing go just dey burn for the bottom. So once you turn am like this, 5 minutes or 7 minutes, go again, turn am. If not, the thing go just burn for the bottom. And as you dey turn am, not just only dey turn the top, make you go the bottom, use your spoon scrape the bottom, because if you not do am like that, na that bottom na dey really dey burn. E not really easy to turn this soup as the thing don need to full to the top. I dey tempted to change the pot, but I say no need, the thing go reduce, so make I just manage am. So the only thing wey remain now na just to put eye for the soup, dey turn am every time as I don already tell una, so that the soup no go burn. And I go just continue like that until the soup don thick small, then I'll come add the remaining things wey be say I wan add. Another good reason why you need to dey turn the egusi soup besides say the soup go burn, na because the bottom dey always dey thicker than the top. So if you dey look only the top, you go think say the thing never thick and all the thickness dey the bottom. So if you dey turn am, as you dey turn am, now you go take know say okay, this soup don dey thick. So as e don thick like this, I go come add the uziza leaves and the periwinkle, make dem start to dey cook, make the flavor dey enter too. I go just let am cook for about 5 to 10 minutes as I dey always do am before. Dey turn am like that so that e no burn. You fit also use bitter leaf if you like. I dey like bitter leaf sometimes, and I dey like this uziza leaf sometimes. So the bitter leaf get the taste wey dey bring, and the uziza leaves get the taste wey dey bring. So whichever flavor you want, use the leaf. The soup don really thick well, e don reach time to add the ugu leaves. But before then, I go taste for salt to see if salt catch am. The salt dey good enough for me, so no need to add more salt. So I come add the ugu leaves. In short, the soup don already sweet without the ugu sef. Like I tell una before, you fit use any leaf wey be say you like. You fit use kale, you fit use fresh ugu. We no dey get fresh ugu, so na frozen one we dey get. Or any leaf wey be say you like to use, and if you use any quantity. So if you dey like plenty leaf, you fit add plenty leaf, but if you no dey like plenty leaf, you fit add small one. So the choice is really yours. Once you don add the leaf, no need to cook am tey. 5 minutes is enough. If you wan cook am longer, it's up to you, but the leaf dey quick done. So the soup don done, na say as e thick. If they tell una say they no fry this soup, you go say na lie. One of the thing wey make some people no dey like the egusi soup wey be say dem no fry be say the thing too dey do water and e no dey sweet reach the one wey be say dem fry. This one cook am as you see am. If the thing no sweet, make you come the comment section come tell me say e no sweet. So now wey be say I don show you how to cook egusi soup wey be say dem no dey fry, the one wey be say people dey call no fry method. As you don know how to cook am now, why you no give am a try the next time wey be say you wan cook your egusi soup? I think you see as the soup thick. Na only the thickness you see, but the sweetness, na when you don try am, now you go know as the thing is sweet reach. The main secret of making the thing not too do water be say not use too much water. And if you mistakenly use too much water, just cook am until the thing don dry small. So my people, we don cook the food finish, and I thank una for watching the video. Until I go see una next time for another video, make una stay kampe. May God continue to bless una family. And not forget say I love you well. Until we go block again. Bye yo.